then one day, someone walks into your life, a total stranger, and they become so important to you. And while you've known them for such a short time, you feel you have loved them for a lifetime.
Hey guys, Rob Caputo back again, and what I'm going to do today is I'm going to persuade you to go on to Diamond ProTech's website and learn a little bit more about their products. And during their Black Friday, Cyber Monday week, right, November 21st to December 3rd, they have that 25% off all their consumer products. And one of the products that I'm highlighting today and I'm talking about today is Diamond Coat Care, right? This is a pH balanced soap. It's about 7.88 on the pH scale, so it's definitely pH balanced, and especially when you dilute it, it's even more pH balanced. So, and this stuff is a rock star. This stuff really works well. It smells great. I mean, bottom line, it just really does. So, I mean, I would persuade you guys to get onto their website, check it out. There's a link down below. You get 25% off. Take advantage of it during that time frame, November 21st to December 3rd. This is Talking with Cars. Today, what we're gonna use Diamond Coat Care, and this is their pH balanced soap. 3 ounces in a foam cannon. You let it dwell for 3 to 5 minutes. Don't let the foam dry out. So it's the same instructions, you know, basically just rinse it off and then wash your car, you know, and I put an ounce in my wheel bucket and I put an ounce in my wash bucket. So that's 3 ounces for the foam cannon and another 2 ounces. So that's 5 ounces total. This is a 500 milliliter bottle. This works well with their Diamond ProTech technology, right? Their PHPS system, their nano diamond system. So you can use it on other products, obviously. You don't necessarily have to have their system to use their soaps, but we're gonna try it out because I don't have it on that particular car. And we'll see how well it foams up. We'll see how well it smells. We'll see, you know, how slick it is, all that kind of good stuff. So, and let's start with the smell. Just smells like soap. No special smell or anything like that. It's not fruity or anything like that. It's just kind of like a simple, clean, no nonsense soap. That's basically what it smells like. So I like the color, I like the viscosity, and it does cling on the bottle a little bit. Really well done on that part of it. All right, let's get to business. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put 800 milliliters of water in here. We're gonna put our 3 ounces of Diamond Coat Care in there, and we're gonna go to town. So let's try this out. All right, I think I said I was gonna put 800 milliliters of water in there. I actually put 900 milliliters. And we're gonna put 3 ounces of this soap into the bottle. There's 3 ounces, and you can see how blue it is, right? The viscosity of it. I like it a lot. Put it into the foam cannon. Seems to mix really well. Doesn't clump up or anything like that. I like the color. All right, we mixed it up and now we're gonna try it out. Let's see how it works. All right, so let's see what this looks like on the car through this foam cannon. All right, so we got 3 ounces. That's what we have in here. And we're gonna run it through a Krenzla pressure washer. All right, it's on max right now. Foams up really nice. And although the soap smells like just soap, it's pleasant. It's definitely cleaning the wheels and stuff like that. Yeah, you can see the dirt coming off the wheels. I'll take video of it. So yeah, it's doing a really good job of kind of cleaning those wheels off. Really good job, actually. Look at that. That's impressive. For sure, it's definitely cleaning. Sweet, not bad at all. I have plenty left. I almost don't need the wheel cleaner. But we're gonna try it anyway. We're gonna rinse those wheels off and we're gonna use the wheel cleaner or the multi-purpose cleaner and see how that works. Tyler, I think you have a winner here. All right, so we're gonna let that sit for 3 to 5 minutes. Tyler, I think you got a good soap here. No question about it. More people should try it out. And I've tried quite a few soaps out there. This is definitely doing a great job of cleaning the wheels. All right, so it does rinse off really well. It rinses off really well. A contact wash and go from there. It foams up really good. And look, I still have a little bit left. I'm gonna put this in the bucket and we're gonna use that part of our contact wash. I was floored with the way that this cleaned the car. I just wanted to show you exactly how clean this is. And I think where I see it the most is I see it at the tire. So you can see it almost looks factory, right? It's got that factory look where it's just ready for a sealer or something. Or if you're going to a concourse and you want something that looks original right from the factory, this is the look. It's not oily, it's not streaky. It just did a really good job of stripping any sealants that are on it, any dressings, anything that's on there. It did such a great job on the paint. Kind of made it look shiny. Yeah, I'm blown away by this soap. Really good. I mean, look at the wheels and the tire. I mean, it's like perfectly set up for a dressing. I mean, I would put a dressing on that for sure. But look, I mean, are you kidding me? Look at the reflection. I mean, yeah, it has a ceramic coating on it, but give me a break. That looks good. Don't forget to get onto their website. Link is down below. 25% off all their consumer items. Try this coat care. I'm telling you, you're not going to be disappointed. Go out, try it, and tell me what you think. Peace.